About MCM.
台湾奇迹就在美科。
Your success, we make it happen.
美科发展史。美科创立于2003年台湾桃园，2006年购置桃园市大园总部，2009年购置上海营运中心，2012年成立苏州厂，2015年购置大园区新厂预定地，2019年购置台中新厂预定地，2021年台中营运中心签约，苏州2期工程动土，2023年苏州2期工程完成，陆续也荣获许多奖项。美科版图。美科版图分布为台湾桃园总公司、台中分公司、高雄分公司、中国上海总部、苏州厂区3万平米、苏州研发大楼、苏州智能仓储、华南营运中心，而建制中的为桃园研发中心、台中营运中心。2023年再次荣获经济部台湾精品奖。全球金属加工业2022年专业排行。美科 MCM 2022年全球金属加工业排名第21名。国际认证。美科 MCM 拥有优良信誉及国际认证，通过市场长期考验，并获得客户的信任与肯定，同时拥有 ISO 9001、ISO 14001、ISO 45001国际认证。MCM 研发团队。研发创新，注重自主研发，并以技术创新为导向，拥有专业技术人员及资深研发团队，并配置了专业齐全之检验设备，不断努力研发，成功掌握相应的创新技术。绿色技术 MCM 全球技术团队常年精研及开发绿色新材料，使得我们的绿色切削液可以满足客户的各方需求。行业里的隐形冠军 MCM。新一代 SUPERSOL 系列产品荣获第31届台湾精品奖。SUPERSOL 环保植物性高效金属切削液与一般传统矿物油相比，寿命可增加2至5倍，刀具寿命也能延长20%到100%。SUPERSOL 在清洁性上的表现也非常良好，因此使用后，床台、玻璃视窗、刀杆、桶夹皆能保持干净，且在加工过程可见度高。随着机台水槽小型化设计，超高水压断泄及中心出水被要求出水压力达70 bars， 已渐渐成为基本加工条件。而 SUPERSOL 的独特配方设计突破了传统矿物油的消泡极限。视频中完美呈现 SUPERSOL 优异的消泡性能，而 SUPERSOL 不但有优异的消泡性能，更是有绝佳的防锈能力。无论是铁材及敏感性非铁金属 ，SUPERSOL 的植物小分子结构在工件表面上构建了防腐蚀纳米油膜，可有效解决全面性的制程中防锈。选择正确的 SUPERSOL 产品，可满足您不同的加工材质、加工方式以及加工需求。ESG 环保篇。美科 MCM 重视所有的加工性能及客户所关心的生产成本，更重视整个环境的维护及员工的安全健康，最终达到企业的永续经营。生态影响。矿物油的危害。基础油生物降解率，环烷基26.2%，中间基24.0%，石蜡基42.0%。矿物油对地下水的污染可达100年之久，0.1 ppm 的矿物油使海水中生物的寿命只有原来的20%。SUPERSOL 植物性环保高效切削液。植物油趋势。矿物油零含量、植物油来源安全稳定的产品更受青睐，加工性能好，寿命长，安全环保，净零碳排。MCM SUPERSOL 植物性切削液的净零碳排。美国康奈尔大学雷曼教授在 Nature 上发表关于通过生物质碳固定大气中 CO2 气体的概念模型中指出，植物通过光合作用吸收的 CO2 以100%计算，50%的碳元素经过呼吸作用返回大气。剩下的50%的碳元素会储存在植物残体中，如果这些植物残体返回土壤，在土壤微生物的作用下，植物残体会很快矿化分解成 CO2 返回大气中，最终整个大气中的二氧化碳含量是没有变化的。植物的整个生命周期是碳中和的。如果在无氧或缺氧条件下将这些植物热解处理，碳化后得到生物碳可重新施入并封存于土壤中，以达到固碳的目的。这是一个净的负碳过程，可以大大降低大气中 CO2 的含量，进而解决因温室气体排放所致的全球气候变暖问题。 美科的超前意识 ，MCM a step ahead。尖端的实验设备为研发部门提供令人瞩目的先进技术。凭借这项能力，我们可以为您提供适宜的解决方案，预期您的需求，紧跟化学与环保的最新法规，从而确保我们产品的长久性。Strong perspective on applied research.
Hidden champions MCM. SUPERSOL plant-based high-efficiency and environmentally friendly cutting, fluid, meeting high, and advanced processing processes. SUPERSOL, a new generation of environmentally friendly plant-based high-efficiency metal cutting fluid. The new generation of SUPERSOL series products won the 31st Taiwan Excellence Award. Developed and formulated by MCM technical team for many years, it is an innovative chemical substance based on plant extracts. This kind of synthetic vegetable ester mixture can show very good performance when used in mechanical processing and grinding. Extend the service life of all products. Compared with general traditional mineral cutting fluid, the service life of SUPERSOL plant-based cutting fluid can be increased by 2 to 5 times. Extend tool life. Compared with traditional mineral cutting fluid, SUPERSOL plant-based cutting fluid can prolong tool life by 20% to 100%. SUPERSOL, a new generation of environmentally friendly plant-based high-efficiency metal cutting fluid. Excellent defoaming properties, with the miniaturization design of machine sinks. Ultra-high water pressure for chip breaking and central water outlet are required, and the water outlet pressure of 70 bars has gradually become the basic processing condition. The unique formula design of SUPERSOL has broken through the defoaming limit of traditional mineral cutting fluid. Excellent rust resistance, whether it's ferrous or sensitive non-ferrous metals. SUPERSOL's plant micromolecule structure constructs anti-corrosion non-oil film on the surface of the workpiece, which can effectively solve the rust prevention in the comprehensive process. SUPERSOL, a new generation of environmentally friendly plant-based high-efficiency metal cutting fluid. Cleanliness. SUPERSOL plant-based cutting fluid has very good cleaning performance, so the bed of machine, glass window, tool holder, and collet can all be kept clean after use. And the visibility is high during processing. The left picture shows the using SUPERSOL plant-based cutting fluid. The glass window can be processed through see-through. The right picture shows the using other brands of mineral cutting fluid. The glass window cannot be processed through see-through. Choosing the right SUPERSOL product can meet your different processing materials, processing methods, and processing needs. ESG. Environmental Protection Chapter. MCM attaches great importance to all processing performance and production costs that customers care about, and pays more attention to the maintenance of the entire environment and the safety and health of employees, and finally achieves the sustainable operation of the enterprise. Ecological impact. Dangers of mineral cutting fluid. Biodegradation rate of base oil, cyclocal 26.2%, intermediate base 24%, paraffin base 42%. Mineral oil can pollute groundwater for up to 100 years. And 0.1 ppm mineral cutting fluid makes the biological life in seawater only 20% of the original. SUPERSOL plant-based environmentally friendly high-efficiency cutting fluid. Plant cutting fluid trans products with zero mineral oil content and safe and stable vegetable oil sources are more popular, with good processing performance, long life, safety and environmental protection, and net zero carbon emissions. Net zero carbon emission of MCM SUPERSOL plant-based cutting fluid. Professor Lehman of Cornell University in the United States published a conceptual model on the fixation of CO2 gas in the atmosphere through biochar in Nature, pointing out that 50% of the CO2 calculated as 100% absorbed by plants through photosynthesis is returned through respiration in the atmosphere. The remaining 50% of carbon will be stored in plant residues. If these plant residues are returned to the soil, under the action of soil microorganisms, the plant residues will quickly be mineralized and decomposed into CO2 and returned to the atmosphere. Eventually, the entire atmosphere will the carbon dioxide content in the plant does not change, and the entire life cycle of the plant is carbon neutral. If these plants are pyrolyzed under anaerobic or hypoxic conditions, The biochar obtained after carbonization can be reapplied and sequestered in the soil to achieve the purpose of carbon sequestration. This is a net negative carbon process, which can greatly reduce the content of CO2 in the atmosphere, thereby solving the problem of global warming caused by greenhouse gas emissions. The advanced consciousness of Mcm. MCM a step ahead. The cutting-edge experimental equipment provides the R&D department with eye-catching advanced technology. With this capability, we can provide you with appropriate solutions, anticipate your needs, and follow the latest chemical and environmental regulations to ensure the durability of our products. Strong perspective and applied research.